At least 3 people are dead after a record-breaking winter storm slams the East Coast, bringing more than 2.5 feet of snow. The most recent death reported in Allentown, Pennsylvania, where police say 67-year-old Patricia Becker was found dead in the snow. She reportedly suffered from Alzheimer's. The storm bringing an entire season's worth of snow to some spots. New York City seeing the most snow in 5 years. New Hampshire and New Jersey also hit hard. One part of New Jersey getting a whopping 33 inches of snow.
The crews have done a phenomenal job overnight. They got a long way to go. I mean, there's a lot of snow removal process that has to take place, and the snow's going to have to be trucked out. So it's not like your normal, plow it off to the side. This is, a hauling operation to get the snow removed now.
The storm, well, may just be the beginning. A storm that's bringing rain to the West Coast is now moving across the country. And right behind that is another storm that may bring East Coast cities even more snow this weekend.